From the Bob Mills Weather Center, the Oklahoma weather expert, Alan Crone.
All righty, neighbors. Appreciate you watching early this morning because you already know what the weather's going to be. There's really not a lot of changes from day to day. We're at 55 right now. We've got sunshine coming up again today. High near 88. South winds at around 10 to 15. A couple of gusts near 20. Straight to the timeline. 68 to 69 at 10 o'clock. Noon hour today, area-wide will be from 78 to about 80 degrees. By 3 o'clock, we're into the upper 80s. A couple of our neighbors just west of us will be at 90. And then this evening commute between 5 and 6, no weather issues. 7, 8, and 9 o'clock tonight, basically kind of dropping down from the lower 80s into the upper 70s. So it won't be quite the drop we had last night, but it'll still be very pleasant. And then by the 11 to midnight hour, we're in the 60s. All right. What's coming up here in the 7-day summary? Slightly above normal temperatures for daytime highs. Fire danger increasing. Morning lows slightly below normal lows. So there's not a lot of change here over the next 7 days. Probability of precipitation. Here's Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Next week, we're at least going to be able to discuss a low chance for a couple of spotty showers or storms for the middle of the week. File it away. We'll keep you posted. We have a backdoor boundary that's moving in tomorrow. This will knock the daytime high down a little bit. And unfortunately, it brings even drier air. Low-level moisture will really thin out. So that's why the fire spread rate is up for the next day or two. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Here's your weekend. We'll be into the mid-80s. Radar, outer bands from Ian, which is over Cuba, already across Florida this morning. Category 3 right now. It'll be a Category 4 tomorrow morning. And then here's the west coast of Florida. This is the Bradenton area, Tampa, Spring Hill, St. Petersburg. This thing is just shoving lots and lots of water into these bays. We'll have a significant storm surge. Hurricane force winds really packed closer to that area of low pressure right in through here, but tropical storm force winds will be all in this area. So remember, this cone is not the influence of the storm. This is where the actual center could be. So this is Wednesday. And then here's a very concerning issue with this. These lines represent certain times. So this is 1 o'clock Wednesday morning. This is 1 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. Now watch this. It just starts to slow down. So here is 1 o'clock Wednesday, 1 o'clock Thursday morning near Tampa and St. Petersburg, kind of making landfall here as a Category 3. And then it just goes just a little bit to the northeast. This is 1 o'clock Thursday. And this thing is going to slow to a crawl. And then it will get a little bit of a push by Saturday as a tropical depression across portions of Georgia, the Carolinas, and will still be problematic there, producing quite a bit of rain. So this is going to be a big issue for the West Coast. Right now, we're at 55 in Tulsa. Highs this afternoon, upper 80s, 85 in the area Wednesday, the west coast of Florida, not the west coast of the U.S., west coast of Florida. The fire danger threat is increasing. Here's Thursday morning, 53. It'll be cooler in the valleys, upper 40s. Thursday is cool at 80. First day of Tulsa State Fair is going to be spectacular. The first weekend of the fair also looks really nice.